Might be the best hamburger I've ever had in my life.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the best burger I've ever made. The best burger I've ever tasted. Brioche bun, fresh ground beef, 2 kinds of cheese, bacon, and pastrami. We're doing it next, so stick around. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're doing the best burger I have ever had, the best burger I've ever made. And to get that best burger, you got to start off with fresh ground beef. So I got my KitchenAid out, my grinder attachment. I found some good steaks on sale, so I cut them up, put them right through the grinder. And once we get that all ground up, the only seasoning I'm using is Kinder's caramelized onion butter. Fantastic seasoning. So then I laid down some parchment paper and I got a cookie cutter of the size of the burgers that I wanted to make. And I just take the ground beef, set it inside the cookie cutter, press it down nice and tight, and then you can just pull it straight up, and there's your burger. Now I did hit each one with a little shot of non-stick, help that burger slide out. And I had enough ground beef to make 4 patties, so I went ahead and made all 4. We're going to use one for today's burger. The other 3 I just wrapped up and put in the freezer for next time. I've got some nice brioche buns that I'm going to toast first. So we'll just slide those into the toaster oven. And with the magic of video, boom, they're done. Look at that. Okay, you want to use the biggest frying pan you can find on medium heat. This gives you a little extra room to move around with the spatula and whatnot. So we'll place our burger down. After a few minutes, we'll get our burger press out. Little parchment paper so nothing sticks. And give it a good press. Now, once you see that moisture come to the top, right there, that means it's time to flip that burger. Now we're going to add 2 slices of American cheese on top of that burger. And then I went to the deli and I've got some nice thinly sliced pastrami. So we're going to clean up our pan, let our burger rest for a few minutes while we heat up the pastrami. Not really cooking it because it's already cooked. We're just getting it nice and warm, and we're going to put some Havarti cheese on top of it. So we'll get all that pastrami into the pan. And after a minute or 2 on the one side, we're going to flip it over on the other side and try to get it into the shape of the burger before we put our cheese on. There we go. Now we're going to put on 2 slices of Havarti cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. You can use white cheddar or any kind of cheddar. I kind of like the Havarti, gives it a distinct different taste. And once that cheese melts, it's time to assemble our delicious burger. A little bit of mayonnaise on the bottom of the bun. Slide our burger on top of that. Then I made some bacon earlier, so I have 2 strips of bacon that we're going to layer on top. Now we're going to come back with our pastrami. And while I'm doing this, if you can remember to please like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family about us. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. Appreciate you all very much. There we go, we're going to layer that pastrami on there. Had a little accidents, but that's okay. It's a burger. Put the lid on, serve it with some sweet potato fries, and you've got the best burger ever. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
This is a tasty burger.